Most stairwells in commercial and institutional buildings are designed to protect the means of egress using fire-resistant construction and fire door assemblies as opening protectives. When building occupants are within a stair enclosure during a fire, the stairwell is intended to provide a safe pathway to the exit discharge. During a fire, a stairwell could become compromised by smoke and may no longer provide a safe means of egress. If this happens, building occupants must be allowed to leave the stairwell and re-enter the building to seek refuge or find another exit. The International Building Code, or IBC, requires interior stairway means of egress doors to be openable from both sides without the use of a key or special knowledge or effort, with some exceptions. The discharge door can be locked on the outside, but must allow free egress. Many interior stairwell doors are locked on the stair side to prevent unauthorized access to the floors of the building. For these doors, the IBC requires electrified locks which can be unlocked simultaneously upon a signal from the Fire Command Center or from another approved location. For high-rise buildings, stairwells with electrically locked doors must also have a stairway communication system. Every fifth floor must have a telephone or other two-way communication device that can be used to call a constantly attended location. Because the purpose of stairwell reentry is to allow building occupants to leave the stair and find another exit, some buildings that are allowed to have a single exit stairway are exempt from the stairwell reentry requirements. These use groups include business, factory, mercantile, storage, and some residential R2 occupancies where only one exit stair is required by the IBC. Nfpa 101, the Life Safety Code, has slightly different requirements from the IBC, and these only apply when the adopted code is Nfpa 101. Stairs serving 4 stories or less are allowed to have doors that are mechanically locked on the stair side. The 2003 edition of the IBC also included this exception, but it is not allowed by any other editions of the IBC. For stairs serving more than 4 stories, Nfpa 101 requires re-entry from the stair enclosure to the building, so doors can be equipped with either non-locking hardware or fail-safe locks which unlock upon initiation of the building fire alarm system. Nfpa 101 also allows selected re-entry, where some doors may be mechanically locked and others must allow re-entry. When a selected re-entry design is used, Nfpa 101 requires the following. Re-entry must be allowed on at least 2 levels. There must not be more than 4 locked floors between re-entry levels. The top or next to top floor in the stairway must allow re-entry, with access to another exit on that level. Signage is required on the stair side of the doors which allow re-entry. On levels where re-entry is not allowed, signage is required on the stair side indicating the location of the nearest re-entry level or exit discharge in both directions, up and down. Nfpa 101 also includes several exceptions for occupancies where stairwell re-entry is not required. Consult the code for more information. Keep in mind that the IBC does not include these exceptions or the sections on selected re-entry or mechanical locking of stair doors. All recent editions of the IBC require stair doors to be non-lockable or to be unlocked remotely using electrified locks or electrified trim for fire exit hardware. A few important things to note. First, these locks on stairwell doors are on the stair side of the door, except for the stair discharge door. With the exception of controlled egress locks in healthcare facilities, locks in detention and correctional facilities, and delayed egress locks, free egress from the building to the stairwell is almost always required. Second, because most stairwell doors are fire rated, the doors must remain latched even when they are unlocked by the Fire Command Center or the fire alarm system. The positive latching ensures that the fire doors will be closed and latched against the pressure caused by a fire. Fail-safe electric strikes may not be used in stairwells because they are not listed for use on fire door assemblies. And finally, in order to know which code requirements apply to a particular building, verify which code has been adopted in that jurisdiction. This is critical since the IBC and Nfpa 101 differ on the topic of stairwell reentry. You can also consult the authority having jurisdiction, the AHJ, if you need assistance. To learn more about codes, check out the blog I Dig Hardware, where you can download our code reference guide. To watch more videos, please visit our training page at www.allegion.com/US.